In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most out of the Photoroom application for editing and enhancing your photos. Whether you're a professional photographer or just starting out, this guide will help you add that perfect touch to your images, focusing on shadow effects. So, let's dive right in. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to app.photoroom.com. This is where the magic happens. Once you're on the site, look for the Create button. Photoroom is an online tool designed to streamline your photo editing process with a variety of features that help you create stunning visuals effortlessly. Next, you'll want to click on Select Photo. This is where you upload the image you want to work with. Upload an image from your device and watch as Photoroom prepares it for editing. This step is crucial as it forms the foundation of your creative project. If you have a specific image in mind, have it ready on your device for a seamless upload process. Once your photo is loaded, it's time to enhance it with shadows. Click on Shadows. Using shadows can add depth and dimension to your photos, making them appear more dynamic and visually appealing. This tool is particularly useful if you want to create more realistic or dramatic effects, drawing the viewer's attention to particular parts of your photo. Now that we have our Shadows menu open, take advantage of the various tools available to customize your shadow settings. You can adjust the intensity, angle, and blur to achieve your desired look. This step is all about experimentation and finding the balance that works best for your image. The interface is user-friendly, so feel free to play around until you find the shadow effect that complements your photo perfectly. To create even more impact, use the Move button. This tool allows you to adjust your shadow in either 2D or 3D space. Moving your shadows can dramatically change how a viewer perceives the lighting and depth in your image. Whether you want to make the shadow more pronounced or subtle, adjusting its position can do wonders in making your image stand out. Remember, the key to effective photo editing is not only in learning the tools, but also in applying them with creativity and precision. You may find that slight adjustments can significantly enhance your image's story, and that's how you use Photoroom to create captivating photos with shadow effects. With these tools and tricks, you're on your way to producing professional-looking images right from your web browser. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what works best for your style. We hope you found this guide helpful and are excited to see the amazing creations you come up with using Photoroom. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!